So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're here to have lunch at Fish & Co in Paragon. So who's with me again?
Hello!
Japan pa.
May isa pa akong ganito ba?
And he's watching the Cocomelon. Ayan, umiyak na po siya. Umiyak na po. And of course, belated happy birthday. Buong month of May talaga. Okay, so we have here the mango apple drinks. I don't know, tropical drinks. The strawberry, lychee. And the lychee, kung ano na yung mga nasasabi ko dito name ng drinks. Hindi ko na alam. Ang sarap ng drinks na to. Look guys, meron siyang fresh mango at the bottom. And then, fresh apple on the top of it. Ang sarap niya. Puro ka nalang mura sa ano. Second round. Of course. Get mo na. Para sa vlog. I love you. Yun na naman. Walang reaction? Okay. Busog na ako. Maghawak na. Pwede naman natin i-take,